Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good day to our later and fellow viewers. Introduce myself, my name is Ifrani Yasmi. User ID number 2024-325057. Okay, the background of this project is based on a critical use in multimedia development and web design, understanding how digitally make assist work as web developers and multimedia designer. Causing the wrong image format can severely hurt a website performance by slowing down load times or causing high resolution visual to appear pixelated. Therefore, this website serves as an interactive educational platform designed to help users, especially beginners, understand the fundamental difference between three highly popular image format PNG, JPEG, and CFG based on the quality, file size, structure, and ideal use case. As you can on the screen right now, with mirror the home page layout shown, I cause a modern kosher color palette dominated by depth maroon and soft cream of ivory white. This provides an elegant, clean, and highly professional user experience. In this hero section, we have a prominent header, a concise description explaining the purpose of the site. To call to action button mulai belajar and lihat perbandingan, and an legend circle on the right side symbolizing the core them image formats. Okay, now let's move on the actual practical content and additional material personnel on this website. If we scroll down to the next section, which we arrive at the core topic, why make formats matter. To make it easier for user to digest the information quickly, I structure the internet summary into three design interactive cards: PNG, JPG, and CFG. Scrolling down further, we encounter the detailed conversion section. Actually, as shown in here, the website provides a comprehensive breakdown across three distinct columns. First, PNG, which is a raster format, the universal loss comparison. Second, JPG, or join which utilizes lazy comparison. Third, CFG, which is completely different because it's a scroll based and different by multimedia formats rather than static pixel. At the bottom of the article, it will the three dedicated interface segment for deep diving into edge formats. As area content in build list characteristics in the interactive button label, tampilan gambar, and pretty preview canvas block to view the live rendering. Next, following the build, I will explain the complete technical implementation. Let's open the code base content in the article file pengantar multimedia Ifrani Yasmi. We will begin by simpling the markup scriptures in index.html. For this project, I use a standardized HTML5 structure driven by semantic text to ensure clean layout organization and better accessibility. Inside the head section, I link or external stylist style CSS and import a custom category from Google Front to manage visual consistency. Moving into the body, the layout is constantly presented using structural text such as header, section, and footer. For the hero section combination, I explain the text header H1, paragraph elevation P, and navigation element with parent container asset with the class hero content. The action button are tagged with a specific ID so they can be easily manipulated by our JavaScript and then later on. For the card system shown and I create a structure wrappers running individual class. Lastly, for the interactive preview and the button div block style with a prefable class, this block and visibility less empty in the source markup because the content will be organized by JavaScript when a user triggers the preview button. Now let us examine how the visual expression is styled by diving into the style CSS file, which also located within the project pack to as even the preset look display in our final screen in protect several modern CSS layout practice. CSS custom property and reset at the root level. I define global color variables such as primary color for the design maroon set and be like from the cream background. I also implemented a structure box using result to eliminate inconsistent default browser margin. Flexbox and CSS Grid to handle layout distribution, card aesthetic dan transition. It's an informational card feature of a white background that contrast elegantly as in the main layout. And button customization, tampilkan gambar. Button are styled with a solid maroon color block and white block text. I applied a hover modifiers that slightly darken the background color, providing instant technical feedback to the user. The final page brings the website to left in the functional JavaScript layer. The primary purpose of the JavaScript code in the manage document object model DOM manipulation successfully listening for user click on the tampilkan gambar button across the PNG, JPNG, and specification. First, the script hooks into the DOM main section target buttons and preview container boxes using. Second, I take event listen using the method and button. Inside the extension loop, the script evaluation the current test state of the corresponding. And to optimize accessibility, I also interject toggle logic if an image is already visible inside the container. When the button is clicked again, the script detects it in or set to empty. This clears of the preview canvas installation, allowing user to interactively show and hide the image example as the place. Tour of the presentation, let's take on final look at the live running project in the browser. Looking through case regularly from the top header section, transitioning down the basic format overview, moving first our conversion matrix, and testing our reactive button in the preview model. Everything is smoothly, responsively, and completely bug-free. In conclusion, this multimedia project successful interest text, graphic layout, and user interface using standard HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to deliver and traditional web interface regarding digital image format. To conclude my presentation of my practical assessment for Pengetahuan Multimedia B, thank you very much. Have a wonderful day and goodbye. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.